Hey guys, it's Jenny again. Okay, happy fall everyone, and I feel like I had to do something today, and it's to change my hair. Call me crazy, but you know, my hair's a mess, but I don't know, I just feel this change has to happen. And don't get twisted, I am full Asian. Just kidding. I just wanted to use that word so badly. I don't know. I have really dark roots to begin with, and yeah, I have dyed my hair for a long time, but I've never went crazy light. The closest light I went to was when I was visiting Korea and Japan last year, which was still on the blonde side, but not as blonde as I wanted. I am hoping and planning to go super light, and I'm planning to dye my own hair today, so you're gonna watch this. Full disclaimer, I am not a professional. I was never trained to do hair. This is how I usually do my hair. It's just this time I'm trying to go lighter. Equipment and technique that I use at home. Oh my gosh, it's so messy. Stuff that I'm using today is this Claro Professional Kaleidocolors Cream in Volume 40. And I'm going to try this brand, Satin, Ultra Fashion Colors. So I don't know how it will come out because I don't know this brand well. Some gator clips to hold up my hair, and I forgot to buy gloves. So I'm gonna use my cooking gloves. This might be dangerous, but we'll see. Instead of the usual container that most hairstylists use for dyeing, I use just regular old container from a takeout, and I put a Ziploc bag over, because that way after I'm done I could just close the Ziploc bag and throw it out so it's less smelly. I think it's a lot more convenient for me to clean this way, so this is how I've been doing things, and I'm nervous, but I'm excited, so let's get started. With the first off, you have to split your hair into sections, so it's a lot easier to dye. I am using the gator clips I bought earlier and just make it into a twist into places. This method is also commonly used by a lot of hairstylists and salons, and I just find this very efficient, and you can cover the backs too this way. Next up, you gotta make the mixture, right? The first step of this mixture is for the bleach, so you mix the developer and the bleach. I use this powder 3 scoops and just mix it until you get rid of all these balls and make it smooth. And then you gotta start from the roots. Well, for me, roots, because my roots are darker. Make sure you get all the sections front and back. Each section has to be all covered. Make sure to check in the mirror that you're all covered. I also got on my face, but it is the price you pay for dyeing your hair at home. Unfortunately for my wannings, did not work out the way I wanted. It was a bit too red for me, and it was a bit too light on the roots. So what I did next, well, I knew this was gonna happen, so I planned to do second round, which is with the developer. You put a hair dye, it's ashy color, and it kind of cools down the warmth of your hair. So this is good if you have warm hair naturally, and this is what I do. So keep in mind that these dyes are really stinky, and that's why I'm frowning, because like it was so painful for my eyes. But all in all, hey, it worked out. Yeah, at one point I couldn't breathe, but I got it all done, and it took me 30 minutes. So sadly guys, this is what I could do. Surprisingly, my hair is fine. It's not disgustingly kinky. I did make sure to use hair treatment, and I'll put that in the description down below just in case you guys dyed your hair. I don't think platinum hair is in me. I think I can go lighter if I had the patience or the willingness to spend thousands of dollars on hair, but I honestly don't. So this is the furthest I would go. And so one thing I would actually do is touch up on my roots because it's a little too blonde. But other than that, I think I'm done with dyeing my hair. Alright, you ready? 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 Oh. Ah. I think it's much better. I just dyed it roots. I think I'm gonna keep this color because this color isn't bad. I could work with this. For the last time, I dyed again. Oh my god. I think I washed my hair so many times that I don't think I need to wash it for like a month. Seriously. So I don't know if you can see on the screen, but my hair tone is more cooler now. And here's the thing. These two products actually saved my disaster. I actually look presentable today. Thanks to this hair dye, Ion. I actually got this from Sally Beauty, sent me this, and I'm so grateful because this calmed my hair color down. Like, it's not fiery red anymore, and it's not like disgusting copper, super bright Halloween style orangey color anymore. Actually looks pretty decent. Purple color shampoo. I bought the Shimmer Lights from Clairol, and I just bought a big bottle because I know with my hair I need a lot of it. And these two really tone my hair to cool from warm, so I don't look as crazy as before. My hair like 5 times today. I don't think I'm going to dye my hair for a while, until a few weeks at least. Like, we're talking like until like 6-7 weeks. I think that's the good time not to touch your hair, but I might wait longer just so that my hair isn't like crazy damage and stuff like that. It is looking a little frail than before. Despite my mishaps and misguidance, I hope you really enjoyed this video though. At least I got a video out of it, right? I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel for more crazy of my adventure. Love you. Mwah.